Are you still spending hours staring at a blank screen trying to build PowerPoint slides from scratch? What if you could turn your rough notes, a Word document, or even a simple text prompt into a professional presentation in just one click? Today, we're looking at SlidesAI, an AI tool designed to do exactly that. SlidesAI is an AI-powered presentation maker that integrates directly into the tools you already use. Instead of making you download new software or learn a complicated interface, it works right inside Google Slides, Microsoft PowerPoint, ChatGPT, and even straight from your web browser. With over 14 million installs and more than 3 million presentations created, it's quickly becoming a go-to tool for students, educators, and business professionals. Using it is incredibly simple. If you use the web app, you don't even need to install anything. You just paste your text, notes, or document, and the AI goes to work. It analyzes your paragraphs, condenses them into clean bullet points, structures the flow of your presentation, and even automatically adds relevant images. If you prefer working in ChatGPT, you can simply describe what you want in the chat, and it will save the presentation directly to your Google Slides. Now, let's talk about what real users are saying. Because we have limited external review data, we looked closely at the feedback from their user base of over 2,000 reviews. On the positive side, the biggest win is time. Users report spending up to 85% less time building slides. People love how it instantly breaks down heavy text blocks into digestible points, which is a massive help if you struggle with writer's block. Another major highlight from users is the customer support. Multiple reviews mention that the support team is incredibly fast and helpful, even responding to troubleshooting questions late at night. As for the downsides, while it's fantastic for getting a structured, highly functional draft together in seconds, highly customized or complex design layouts may still require a bit of manual polishing. It's best viewed as an incredibly fast starting point rather than a complete replacement for your creative eye. If you want to eliminate the stress of manual slide creation, SlidesAI is definitely worth a try. It's fast, intuitive, and lets you stay right inside PowerPoint or Google Slides without switching apps. Head over to slidesai.io to try it out for free and see how much time you can save on your next presentation. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more AI tutorials, and let me know in the comments how you plan to use AI for your next deck. See you in the next one.